In this video guide, I will show you how to use the oFeatures WordPress plugin. To start, sign up for an oFeatures account. Go to Settings and choose Customer Service oFeatures. After that, click Create oFeatures Account. By clicking Create Account, you'll be taken to the oFeatures homepage. Click Register in the top menu and fill in your information such as email, name, country, and time zone in the registration form. Click Register. Open the email and use the link sent to you to log into your account. The link will take you to the login page. Enter your email address and password. Set a new password for your account. In a couple simple steps, I will show you how to add live chat to your website. First, you will need to configure your website. To do so, click the Websites button in the top menu. Next, click Settings and enter your website address. Click the Save button. Now you're ready to add features. Let's start by adding chat. Again, click the Websites button in the top menu and after that, Features. Click on the live chat feature to drag and drop it into the box. Now this feature has been added to your account. Since we want to add this feature to WordPress, we will need your client ID and WordPress token. To find these items, go to Settings in the top menu and click Plugins. Here you can find the needed information. Copy the client ID and paste it into the box in WordPress. Do the same with the WordPress token and save it. Now all your features are synchronized and ready to be used. Every time something is changed in a feature, you will need to synchronize it again to keep it up to date. To publish the added feature, you will need to copy the shortcode. Go to All Pages and choose a page to edit and paste in the shortcode. Next, update the page to save the changes. That's all, your feature is ready. Let's check how it looks on your page. On the bottom right is the chat feature we have just added. Your visitor will click the chat feature to start a conversation with you. They can also leave feedback on how they rate the chat conversation. The chat was added only on the page we have selected to paste the feature's shortcode into. It is not on all of your WordPress pages. In the next part of this video, I will show you how to add it to all of them. In this part, you will learn how to add a feature to all of your pages. Once you are logged into the WordPress admin panel, click Settings and choose Customer Service oFeatures. Next, copy the shortcode of the feature and click Put this chat on all pages. Now paste the shortcode into the box and save it. View your website and browse through the pages. As you can see, your chat feature has now been added to all pages. In this part, you will learn how to add the feature to all pages except selected ones. This might be useful when you want to show the feature on all pages except the main page, for example. Click Settings on the side menu and choose Customer Service oFeatures. Click on Content on all pages. Here we can find a box that is used to exclude selected pages or posts. Go to Pages. Choose a page that you would like to exclude and copy its page ID. Now let's go back to oFeatures Customer Service. Paste in the page ID and click Exclude to save it. Now we can see that the page we have chosen is excluded. Let's visit the website to see the changes. The page we have excluded doesn't have a chat button, but the others do. This means we have successfully excluded the page. In case you change your mind, go back and simply click the X button next to the page. Remember to save your changes. To open the Support panel in WordPress, click Support Panel oFeatures in the left side menu. Log into your oFeatures account. Once you are logged in, click Support Panel in the top menu. Every time you make some changes to a feature, for example, change the style, you will need to publish it again. In this section, I will show you how to do so. Log into your oFeatures account. Click on the Settings icon on a chosen feature. As you can see, I'm changing the style of the feature, skin, shape, and layout. Because of the changes I have made, it's necessary to save it again. Here you can see that the chat is not updated. That's because the feature has not been synchronized. Let's synchronize it. Go to Settings in the WordPress side menu and click Customer Service oFeatures. Auto-synchronization will occur, which means all your features are synchronized and up to date. Let's check. I'll refresh the page. As you can see, the chat feature is the one we have just modified, and all changes are visible now.